Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I've done anything on this channel. If you don't know, I do have a second channel that I use for like my Twitch streams and stuff I do on there, so I have been creating art. But this channel has kind of gotten neglected because I haven't really had the time. But I'm hoping to change that, and let's just get right into it because today I am going to draw a chocolate bunny for the sake of Easter, and I'm going to try and do a step-by-step, kind of making it simple so that you guys can kind of draw along with me. So I'm doing mine on watercolor paper because I want to paint it at the end, but you can color it however you want to at the end. But let's go ahead and start with just a circle, kind of more an oval. A little bit of an oval. Try to darken it a little so you can see it a little better. Just an oval. Then we're gonna need an actual circle for his head. And we might actually, we need a little bit more room for his ears. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix my circle. Move it a little further down. There. About right there. Because his neck is going to be about right here. He is a chocolate bunny, but he's still anatomically correct. Okay. Now that we got our two base circles, we're going to start branching off from those to create our bunny. So he's going to be more like a sitting bunny. If you've seen those chocolate ones, I know there's standing bunnies, there's all kinds of chocolate bunny candy, but for mine I'm going to make him sitting. So we're going to draw kind of a line like this, just a line down from our front of our oval for his front paw. And then do a little U shape. Actually, you could make a little circle for where his paw is gonna go. Like that. And then there's gonna be a line up for his front leg. And then, since he's sitting, his back foot, let's draw a little oval. A skinny oval. About right there. And all this is going to be filled in with like the chocolate, but now I kind of created my oval a little bit big. I'm going to cut into our oval and meet our lines here. And then our tail, we can use the rest of our oval for our tail to go there. Just make kind of a C added on. And then he will have his back leg meet up with this back foot. So we're just doing kind of a C from about right here kind of the center of our oval, if you still want to use that oval as a measurement to eyeball it. Then our little head up here will go from the top of our oval and kind of meet, and then his chest, so we'll kind of use this but his chest is gonna sit out a little bit more. And then we're gonna bring around that circle. So that's gonna be his front. Actually, well, from the circle, he kind of has more of a pointy nose out, so we're gonna draw a line out, and from his chin draw kind of a curvy line out as well. And that'll be kind of more of his snout. I'm gonna round it off a little. That triangle shape was kind of more just to help us get his snout out there as little guidelines. And then for his ears, since I kind of don't have a lot of space, I'm gonna put a dot because I want his ears to end about there for me. If you want to do yours like up here where I don't have space on my paper to go, you just put a little dot up there. And then we're gonna go from our dot and meet it with the top of our head, like so. And then this ear is going to be covered by the front ear. So we're going to draw another line down, but we're going to make this one a little bit longer from that dot we made. And then go a little further back on the head and bring that around to make the front ear. And now we're going to add just some lines, especially for his eyes and stuff, that is like the indentations on the chocolate for the form and the fur of the bunny and stuff. Let's see, let's start with his eye. I'm going to draw upside down U. And then most chocolate bunnies have like this little cheek thing sometimes. So I'm gonna draw a little like cheek right there, like his mouth is full. And our nose is gonna be right here, so I'm just drawing lines to make his nose, and this is sideways, right? So we're not gonna see all of his nose. And then his little mouth. Oh, yeah, that's about right. I think my little cheek is a little bit too much. Too much. Just that little under eye right there is good. So this is where I'm gonna actually bring this back around to the nose. And then like that. I need to add, I'm gonna make his eye like a candy eye. So we're gonna add that circle there for that. So I remember I want that to be not like a colored chocolate, if you've seen those, where it's not pure chocolate color like the brown chocolate color, that they add some color just to make his eye or his ears pop. And then for our ears, speaking of, we're gonna add some more lines here for like the inner pink part. So we're just gonna make kind of this same shape, kind of like a long football. And we're gonna put that inside. This one is just the outside, so we don't have to add anything there. And I mean, that's pretty much our bunny. If you want to add anything else, like maybe he has a little bow tie, I'm just doing a little circle there, and then a line, straight line out, another straight line out. We're kind of making a little rectangle shape. Curve around and connect those two, and we'll do the same thing on this other side. Line out, connect those two, and then if you want the ribbon down too, just draw a line out. That right here, another line out, and make it parallel with that other one, and then we're going to do a V. And then same with this side, line out, and then our V. And that's my version of a chocolate bunny. There's plenty of other types of chocolate bunnies, but this is the one that hopefully you followed along and we made together. Let's go ahead and erase some lines and get ready for some color. Again, I'm going to be painting mine, but you can add color in whatever way you want. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video and creating your bunny with me if you followed along. I hope to put up a bunch more tutorials and other art videos, so if you aren't subscribed to me, please do, because I do a lot of stuff like this. And I hope you all have a happy Easter and fun with your family, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.